Welcome to Kids Virtual School. Welcome, little explorers. Today, we're going to have so much fun learning about shapes and colors. Shapes are all around us, from circles and squares to triangles. We'll even go on a shape hunt together. Then, we'll dive into the wonderful world of colors, red, blue, green, and more. Are you ready to discover shapes and colors in the world around you? Let's get started. Basic shapes name: circle, square, triangle, rectangle, oval, star, heart. Basic colors name: red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, brown, black, white, gray. Wow, we've learned so much today. We found shapes like circles and squares, and we even explored bright colors like red and yellow. Shapes and colors are everywhere, so keep looking for them in your world. You did an amazing job today. See you next time for more fun learning adventures.